Big 3 ng Gilas, pinakita kung bakit hindi dapat sila mawala sa Gilas national team. Agree ba kayo na sina KQ, Carl Tamayo at Juan Gomez Deliano ang susunod na Gilas score? Eto mga idol, panoorin natin ang impressive game ng Gilas Trio sa laban nila kontra sa New Zealand. Pero bago yan, like and subscribe lang mga kabady para sa latest basketball news and highlights.
Nice push. Probably should have been a skinny going down. Here's the hot hat. Oh, he's lost the dribble. He gets it back. And they've got 5 seconds for a score. They don't need 5. Oh, what a block from the way they've had to deal with that. Ian Murphy. Nice little pick and roll. Ian with the pull up. Knocks family though, thought about the three. Taking it in. Piambo driving and he gets the first score 90 seconds in. Round it comes to Tamayo looking. Tamayo fading away. Over Tamayo. The Philippines to get across mid-court. 14. We close on the last 30 seconds of the quarter. Numbers here. Lob back. Gomez still at the shot again. Nice pass. Phillips shot from Gomez to Liano. A game with 11.9 seconds to go. New Zealand late in the fair to win. He tied the game for overtime in regulation, and he's put them in the lead. This time he attacks the hook. Brownlee knocks it loose. Comes to Liano. Can he lay it? A finish that is. Juan Gomez. Gomez to Liano. Shot clock running down on Gilas now. Minute of the third quarter. Round the screen. He's going to pull for three. He's got this. Kicks it out. Here he is again. He couldn't eat it.
Sa mga gusto pala manood ng laban ng Gilas sa FIBA World Cup qualifiers nang walang delay at free for life, magbibigay po kami ng free live streaming link. All you have to do is i-like lang po ang aming Facebook at YouTube channel para mabigyan po kayo ng unlimited access sa mga sports games sa buong mundo.
Hi guys! Kung naghahanap ka ng legit Gilas jerseys, marami tayong partner stores ang nagbebenta niyan. All you have to do is i-click lang yung link sa gilid ng mga video at magpa-pop na yung mga stores sa gilid. Get yours now guys at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe kay Overdrive Highlights.